Madison. So welcome back to another video. So this is my Valentine's Day little series that I'm doing, and it's gonna be like different Valentine's Day makeup looks. So here is the first one, and I already have my brows done, and my shirt says authentic, and it was kind of Valentine's Day, and it was like in the Valentine's Day section at Target. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna start off using the Origins primer, and it's a cooling primer. Okay, so next is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. And it's a really liquidy foundation. So after that is concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So after that is powder, and I'm using the Physicians Formula one. And we're just going to set everything. Okay, so next is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, and we are going to go in with a mix of these two. Wait, actually, I'm just going to go in with this one. And I'm going to put that all over the crease and lid. So there's that, and then after that I'm going to go in with a mix of this one and this one. They're two glitter shades. And put that on my lid. Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye, and then So there's the eye look. So next I'm using the Physicians Formula Heart Blush. Next, I'm using the Pixie Highlighter by Petra. And I'm going to use the more pinky toned. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone and inner corner with the same thing. And then I'm going to put on my lip gloss by Laura Geller. This is the Color Cluster Lip Gloss in Glide and Honey. And I'm gonna add, I have a heart stamp eyeliner. I'm gonna add it to like right here on this side. So I did the heart stamp. Let me get some lashes and I'll be right back. So here's the completed makeup look with the lashes, and I really liked how it turned out. It's really natural and calm, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Clipper 12. Bye!